First grade, so lately we've been talking about clues inside of a book that will help us understand the words if we can't read it. So today the clue that we're going to be focusing on is pictures, using pictures to help us read the words. So we're going to read a book today as a class. We'll read it together, and then I'm going to stop before I read the page, and I'm going to ask you, what do you think the words are going to be about? What do you think the story will be about on this page? What do you think will happen? So we're going to do that multiple times so that you can use pictures to help you determine the words in a story, because sometimes you won't be able to read the hard words. All right, so we'll start by reading the book, Not Just a Book by Jean Willis and Tony Ross. This is not just a book. So what is she doing in this picture? Does anyone know? What does the picture show that the little girl is doing with the book? Right, she is using it as a hat. So we'll read it. You can use it as a hat. Or a tent for your cat. It can keep a table steady. So what is she doing in this page? What is she using the book for? Does anyone have an idea? Right, she's using it to hold up the teddy bear. So in that picture, she is using it as a leaning tool. It can prop a floppy teddy. You can use it as a funnel. Ooh, what is she doing in this picture? Any ideas? Look at the picture and try to tell me what you think is going on in this page. Right. She is using it as a tunnel. The train is going underneath the tunnel. Or a toy train tunnel. Ooh, what's happening on this page? This is an interesting page. Well, there's the book. Yeah, she's making a tower with it. And the cat is trying to climb up it. So she's stacking a bunch of books. A brick for building towers. Or a thing for pressing flowers. Okay, so this one has steps. Number 1, put your flower here. Number 2, shut the book. And number 3, stand on your book for a week. Oh my gosh, that's how it's going to press a flower. Awesome. Well, now you'll know how to do that. What do you think she's thinking on this one? Yeah, those are some good ideas. Maybe she's just showing you the book. Maybe she's going to read it with the man standing behind her. Could be her dad or her mom. Well, let's read what it says. A book is never just a book. Oh, what is she doing on this page? Yeah, she's trying to hit the fly with the book. Have any of you done that before? Try to swat a fly with a book? I know I have. It can swat a fly. Hide your face if you are shy. Oh, have any of you ever held a book up to your face to try to hide? I guess it's a good way to hide yourself. Oh, what's the book doing on this page? Yeah, the bear's running, so it must be scaring the bear. Must scare the bear when she closes the book like that. Shoo away a scary bear. and catch a fairy in midair. So the fairy hanging out of the book. What is she doing on this page? It's interesting. She has a book on top of a cup. Look at the picture. What do you think is the point of putting a book on top of a cup? You're right. She wants to get the wasps so they're not in her cup. She wants to be able to drink it and not have bugs in her cup. I've done that before too. Or keep the wasps out of your drink. But books are more than words and ink. What is she doing there? Yeah, she's giggling, so the book must be making her laugh. You're right. They can make you laugh. What's going on in this picture? Yeah, she's upset. She's crying. Have any of you cried from a book before? I know I have, multiple times. And weep. And they can even help you go to sleep. Read a bedtime story. Books can make you really clever. Ooh, she's trying all these. Books can really open your eyes to everything. You might try a new science experiment. You might learn a math problem. You might learn a bunch of stuff from a book. What's going on in this picture? You want to tell me? Yeah, it looks like a grandma laying down on the beach with her book. Do any of your guys' grandmas like to read? Mine does. She does spend a lot of time reading. Let's read what the book says. And they stay with you forever. But the very best thing a book can do. Ooh, what do you think? What do you think's the best thing a book can do? Ooh, those are some good guesses. I guess we'll find out. What is she doing? Yeah, she's hugging it. So it must mean she really likes the book. Is to be read and loved by you. That was such a cute book. So yeah, we talked about learning how to read the words by using the pictures in the book. So you guys did a great job at looking at the pictures and determining what the words might mean. They're not going to be exact, but at least if you look at the words, you'll understand, oh, well, this might, if it's a picture of a bee, it's probably talking about something with a bee in it. So now for our independent time, we are going to go back to our desks once I release you, and we are going to get a packet. And so this packet has pictures on it and a line for you to write. So you're going to look at the packet, look at the picture, and determine what might the author say about the picture. So we're going to use this one as an example. So we'll look at the top one. What is the picture? What is that a picture of? Right, it is a picture of a dog, and look at its tail. Yeah, it's kind of out and floppy, so maybe what could the sentence be on this one? Yeah, I see a dog waving its tail. Wagging its tail, right. That's a good one. And maybe what about the bottom? This is an interesting picture because it's a picture of a house, but it looks like steam is coming out of the chimney and the lights are on inside of the house, so what could you think? Yeah, that's a funny one too. My mom is making spaghetti for supper. It's a good, interesting one. So yeah, you can play with the pictures and decide however you want to write them because it's your story. You're the author for the picture, but make sure that your writing matches the picture. So when I read it, I can look at the picture and I already have a good guess of what it's about. All right, whenever you're ready, we'll release. Okay, thank you.